Big ideas do not always need a big vehicle, but they do need the right one. The all-new MEV XL recently visited East Lothian Council, giving the team the opportunity to explore how a compact electric utility vehicle could support practical, everyday operations across estates, facilities, maintenance, and local deliveries. With 50% more capacity and 50% more range, the MEV XL may be small in footprint, but it is certainly not short on capability. Quiet, practical, and built for the jobs that keep essential services moving, it offers a cleaner alternative without making day-to-day work more complicated. A huge thank you to everyone at East Lothian Council who took the time to see the vehicle, ask questions, share valuable feedback, and put the MEV XL through its paces. It was a pleasure meeting the team and demonstrating how cleaner transport can be practical, capable, and ready for real-world work. The future is electric, and this one comes ready to work.